Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, it is not really that important because we have to open general settings. So let's simply tap on the settings icon and then find the timer option. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose, so the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here. So it means that the timer has been applied. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of information here, any kind of icon which will show us that we've got the timer, but that's okay. All we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, of course you can also turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on timer and tapping on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.